Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah, Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Understand Al-Quran the easy way, course number 5, grammar with page 20, pointer D. Grammar with lesson 20D. In which we will, insha'Allah, take a review of the grammar, especially the Nahv part. In the previous lesson, we took a review of the Sarf. And here we will take a review of Nahv and take a sample page of the Quran and see how Nahv is, Nahv rules are there, in terms of application. Grammar is divided into two parts. Sarf, as you know, where you take root letters of a verb like fa'ala, fa, ain and lam and make different words like fa'il, maf'ul, fa'altum and so on. And Nahv is where you take different words and make simple sentences like al-baytu kabirun, or you make pairs like fil ardi baytun kabirun, dhalika al-baytu baytullahi and so on, and make, using pairs and words, longer sentences and more complicated sentences. Actually, Nahv deals with the endings of the words that change according to the position of these words in a sentence. Now let us revise what we have learnt in terms of Rafa', Nasb and Jar states. Original state is Muslimun, that is Rafa' state, and when it is affected, Musliman, and after preposition or the second word in a pair of relation, it is Jar state. So Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Rafa', Nasb and Jar. Repeat after me. Rafa', Nasb, Jar.
Rafa', Nasb,
Jar again.
Rafa', Nasb,
Jar. And as an example, Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Repeat 2 times. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. Muslimun, Musliman, Muslimin. And the plurals are, now you are used to these, so we will just repeat these. Repeat after me. Muslimun, Muslimin, Muslimin. Muslimun, Muslimin, Muslimin. Again. Muslimun, Muslimin, Muslimin. For feminine gender, we use the left hand to indicate feminine gender. So, Muslim, repeat after me 2 times. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin.
Muslimatun,
Muslimatan, Muslimatin. Again. Muslimatun, Muslimatan, Muslimatin. And the plural will be Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin.
Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin.
Again.
Muslimatun, Muslimatin, Muslimatin.
Let's take Rafa' Nasb Jar states for special cases that we have learnt. For example, in one of the 5 nouns, you remember the 5 nouns, Abu, Hamu, Akhu, Fu and Dhu. And how do they change? For example, Abu, Aba, Abi. So repeat after me.
Abu,
Aba, Abi. Again. Abu, Aba, Abi. And we have also learned partially flexible nouns like Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. Right? It will not have Ibrahimi and they don't have tanween. An in will not come on them and they will not have kasra. So repeat after me, or can you say it with me 2 times? Bismillah.
Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima.
Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. Ibrahimu, Ibrahima, Ibrahima. And there are some words which are fixed, and we learned this in the pair of, pointer. Or say hadal baytu or whatever. So hada will not change. Dhalika will not change, and so on. So can you repeat with me 2 times? Bismillah. Hada. Again. Hada. And there are some hidden i'rab or hidden ending signs, meaning they are not expressed, just like hada. For example, you cannot say Musa'u, Musa'a, Musa'i. No, just Musa. Right? So repeat with me 2 times. Musa. Again. Musa. So you don't have to worry about hada or words like Musa, Isa and so on. Don't worry about that. So let us take now 4 types of sentences. which we have learnt. Allahu ghafurun, inna Allaha ghafurun, kana Allahu ghafuran, and khalaqa Allahu al-arda. Can you say this with me? Ismiya? Allahu ghafurun. With inna? Inna Allaha ghafurun. With kana? Kana Allahu ghafuran. Fi'liya? Khalaqa Allahu al-arda. Ali. And we have learned 4 pairs also. Fil ardi baytun kabirun. Wa dhalika al-baytu baytullahi. Can you repeat with me now? Bismillah. Fil ardi baytun kabirun. Dhalika al-baytu baytullahi. Ali. The first pair is of jar, the second is of sifa, and third is ishara, and fourth is relation. Right? You know all of this. And remember, the jar states are there only in 2 cases. Either, it is after a preposition, like fil ardi, or it is the second word in the pair of relation, like baytullahi. Only in these 2 cases, you have the jar state. The rest are rafa or nasb. And in case of pairs, we also did this practice. For example, fil ardi will not change. So baytun kabirun, this will change. Hada baytun kabirun, ra'a zaydun baytan kabiran, zaydun fi baytin kabirin. Can you answer me? Hada baytun kabirun, ra'a zaydun baytan kabiran, zaydun fi baytin kabirin. Alim. Similarly, ذلك البيت بيته ذلك البيت رأى زيد ذلك البيت زيد في ذلك البيت. Answer me. بيته ذلك البيت رأى زيد ذلك البيت زيد في ذلك البيت. And the last one is baytullahi, where only the first word will change. In a pair, once something is in the jar state, nothing will happen to it. So هذا baytullahi, رأى زيد بيت الله زيد في بيت الله. Answer me. هذا بيت الله رأى زيد بيت الله زيد في بيت الله. علم. So we learned 4 sentences and 4 pairs. And also we learned the nasb states, like ذكرت الله ذكرا طاعة صباحا خلف الإمام قاعدا خائفا. And I said, يا رب العالمين اغفر لي فأنت خير غافرا وأعلم أن الله غفور وكان الله غفورا. لا إله إلا الله. All these, different types of nasb states, are already, shown to us, or we have seen it. Let us see the application of these rules in 5th page of the Quran as an example. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. وإذ قال ربك للملائكة. ربك subject, قال ربك, like خلق الله. قال ربك للملائكة, because of li, you have للملائكة. After preposition, you have the jar state. إني جاعل في الأرض خليفة. في الأرض, you know that. And what about خليفة? Because it is coming from جاعل, going to make. It's like acting like a فعل. So جاعل خليفة. قالوا أتجعل فيها من يفسد فيها ويسفك الدماء. You see, there are so many words where we don't have to worry about the signs. They are like fixed ones. يسفك الدماء. What will he shed? Blood. And blood is object, so الدماء. So that is in nasb state. وَنَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ. Because of bi, it is hamdi, not bihamdu. بِحَمْدِكَ وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ. قَالَ إِنِّي أَعْلَمُ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ. Allah taught. So that is verb. علَّمَ is verb. خَلَقَ اللَّهُ. عَلَّمَ آدَمَ. Who did Allah teach? Adam. So Adama is, in the nasb state. وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ. What did he teach? Al-asma'a. Okay, this is another object. So a verb can have 2 objects. Allama, he taught. Whom? Adam. What? Asma. So both of them are in nasb states. كلها ثم عرضهم على الملائكة. Because of على, it is الملائكة. على الملائكة. فقال أنبئوني بأسمائي. Because of بي, it is أسمائي. It's not bi asma'u, bi asma'a, no, bi asma'i. So preposition and the jar state is very clear to you. Ala al-malaikati bi asma'i and so on. Ha'ula'i bi asma'i ha'ula'i in kuntum sadiqeen. Kana Allahu ghafuran. You learned this. Kuntum has the verb kana as well as the ism kana, which is antum. So kuntum sadiqeen. Kana Allahu ghafuran. So kuntum sadiqeen. It will not be sadiqun, it is sadiqeen. Kana Allahu ghafuran. Kuntum sadiqeen. Like I'm kind of splitting that kuntum into two because it has two parts. قالوا سبحانك لا علم لنا. We learned this. لا إله إلا الله. So if you negate a category, you will have nasb state. لا إله. You don't say لا إله إلا الله. So لا إله. Similarly, لا علم لنا إلا ما علمتنا إنك أنت العليم الحكيم. إن الله غفور. إنك عليم. So إنك العليم. So innaka antal alimu al hakimu. That's why this alimu al hakimu are like that. Qala ya Adamu anbi'hum bi asma'i. Because of bi preposition you have asma'i. Bi asma'ihim. Falamma anba'ahum bi asma'ihim. Qala alam aqul lakum inni a'lamu. A'lamu, I know. What is the object? Ghaiba. A'lamu ghaiba. Ghaiba samawati. Actually it was غيب السماوات, but أعلم غيب السماوات. هذا بيت الله. رأيت بيت الله. هذا غيب السماوات. أعلم غيب السماوات. Right? The same rule. غيب السماوات والأرض. It's like غيب السماوات وغيب الأرض. وأعلم ما تبدون وما كنتم تكتمون. وإذ قلنا للملائكة, because of للملائكة. إذ قلنا للملائكة اسجدوا لآدم. لي. Now this is partially flexible. It is not لآدمي. You remember that? إبراهيم إبراهيم إبراهيم. آدم آدم آدم. Okay? لآدم. It's not لآدمي because of partially flexible noun. لآدم فسجدوا إلا إبليس. Now this is a special rule. So there are some special rules that you will learn as you progress. Later on you will learn that. Aba wastakbara wa kana min al-kafirin. Because of min preposition, it will not be kafirun. This is kafirun, kafirin, kafirin. So min al-kafirin, plural, min al-kafirin. Alright. وَقُلْنَا يَا آدَمُ uskun anta wa zawjuka al-jannata. Uskun where? The object is al-jannata. وَكُلَا minha ragadan. This is like other states. Eat in abundance. We remember Zakartullah dhikran khaifan qa'idan khashi'an sabahan. So all those different states, it is one of them. وَكُلَا مِنْهَا رَغَدًا حَيْثُ شِئْتُمَا وَلَا تَقْرَبَ هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ. Don't go near, don't approach. What is the object? الشَّجَرَةَ. هَذِهِ الشَّجَرَةَ. Right? فَتَكُونَ مِنَ الظَّالِمِينَ. Min of zalimun, zalimin, zalimin. Because of min of zalimin. Preposition will take it to jar state. Take the noun after it to jar state. Min of zalimin. فَأَزَلَّهُمَ الشَّيْطَانُ. Who slipped them? Who is the subject? الشَّيْطَانُ. Shaitan made them slip. فَأَزَلَّهُمَ الشَّيْطَانُ عَنْهَا فَأَخْرَجَهُمَا مِمَّا كَانَا فِيهِ وَقُلْنَا اهْبِطُوا بَعْضُكُمْ لِبَعْضٍ. Because of li, it is بَعْضٍ. عَدُوٌ. وَلَكُمْ فِي الْأَرْضِ مُسْتَقَرٌّ وَمَتَاعٌ إِلَى حِينٍ. So, li, fi, ila, these are all prepositions. So, the nouns after it will be in jar states. لِبَعْضٍ فِي الْأَرْضِ إِلَى حِينٍ. And you see, so many words are there which don't need any rule. And I would say, especially when it comes to rafa', you don't have to worry about this. That is the default state or subject. Only when it is in nasb or jar, you have to worry. And jar also is very simple. Only in preposition or the second word in relation, like Baytullahi, all fil ardi. Alright. فَتَلَقَّى, then received Adamu. That's the subject. Who received? Adam received. Min Rabbihi. Min, because of min, it is min Rabbi. من ربه كلمات فتاب عليه إنه هو التواب الرحيم. Indeed, he is the oft returning, the most merciful. You know, inna Allah ghafurun. Here it is inna. Who? Now, who will not change. It will be as it is. Tawwabu, ar-rahimu, and so on. So it's the same rule that is applied here. But when it comes to rafa, you don't have to worry about it. You worry only when it is in nasb or in jar, in general. So mashallah, you can see the application is very simple. If you spend little time, you will see why these a and e is there, or default states are, that's not a challenge in general. Alhamdulillah. You can, inshallah, learn more. Alhamdulillah, in these 5 courses, you have learned the basic and essential sarf and nahv. You can continue learning additional grammar as you continue studying the Quran. Make sure to use TPMG Mus'haf, as it will help you a lot in learning meaning as well as grammar, where you have tajweed and pointers and meanings and grammar, all of them together on the same page. Alhamdulillah. Don't forget the 7 types of homework and the prayers for yourself, Rabbi Zidni Ilma, and for the team. Learn from videos or get one-to-one class. Best thing is to be a teacher. Download the videos, watch them again and again, and just teach as it has been taught in these lessons. Don't add more, don't subtract. You can subtract, but don't add unless you check with scholars. May Allah help us to recite, understand, ponder, implement, propagate, and memorize the Quran. Jazakumullah khair. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. Nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific, and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum